Okay, so today I'm doing an unboxing video for the Holy Stone Night Elf. So far, looks like a pretty cool little drone. So let's get this open and see what's going on. Okay, so the really neat thing that we got going on here is, for once, a company actually puts two chargers. So we got 3 batteries. I have to say, I went ahead and charged 2 of them. Got 3 batteries here. 2 chargers, which is a beautiful thing. So, let's get this bad boy out and take a look. Okay, so we got the battery in now. Automatically lights up, letting you know you're good. Got the controller. Quick setup. And it says it has an auto launch control on this. Let's see. Okay, let's try this auto launch. Press the button. Just hit up. And there we go. Okay, so I took it for a little test drive, and amazingly enough, this little drone handles pretty well. So, I don't know. I'd have to say, with all the spare parts it gives you, spare batteries, spare chargers, I'd probably have to give this a 10 out of 10. For a little drone, handles good, gonna have good battery life, having 3 batteries. I would recommend this thing. Definitely a neat drone.